Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, share this video, and also like it. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these delicious looking queen cakes. All the ingredients will be available in the description box below. I'm going to start off with 125 grams of margarine butter. So I'm going to melt the butter in the microwave for around about 20 to 30 seconds. Once the butter has melted, we're going to let it cool off just for some minutes. And then we're going to add in 2 eggs. The reason why we wait for the butter to cool off is because if we add the eggs directly to hot butter, then the eggs will start cooking. After that, you're just going to mix the egg and the butter together very well. And then we are going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1 cup of milk, and also going to add half a cup of sugar. It can either be white or brown sugar. And then I decided just to mix everything together. So for the sugar, you can adjust according to your taste. I decided to add 2 more tablespoons of sugar. And then after that, you just want to mix everything together very well. To the wet ingredients, we are going to add 2 cups of self-rising flour. You can also do it the other way around by adding the wet ingredients to the 2 cups of flour. So you just want to mix the dry ingredients together with the wet ingredients very well, and be careful not to over mix the batter. And now I'm just going to evenly distribute the batter in a greased muffin pan. You can grease your muffin pan with some butter or some oil, or with a non-stick cooking spray. For me today, I'm using non-stick cooking spray. Just try to put in equal amounts of the batter. We are going to bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for plus minus 20 minutes or until they are golden brown. The queen cakes are now out of the oven. We're going to let them cool off so that we can remove them from the pan. And there we have it, guys. We just made our delicious queen cakes, guys. These queen cakes are so delicious and very moist. You can enjoy them with some tea or some coffee or just as a snack. They are tasty on their own. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also share this video with your family and friends. Bye! See you in the next video.